Welcome to our video on DALL-E, the AI-based image generation system developed by OpenAI. In this video, we will take you on a journey through the fascinating world of DALL-E, exploring its incredible features and use cases. From art and design to education and advertising, we will show you how DALL-E is revolutionizing the way we create and imagine things. DALL-E, an AI-based image generation system, has created quite a buzz in the world of art and technology. Developed by OpenAI, a research institute founded by technology luminaries such as Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and Greg Brockman, DALL-E is the first system of its kind that can create images from textual descriptions. Its name is a combination of Salvador Dali, the surrealist painter, and Pixar's Wall-E, the robot. DALL-E's primary function is to generate images from textual descriptions that are input into the system. The images it generates are highly detailed and can range from the mundane to the surreal. The system uses a neural network that has been trained on a massive dataset of images and textual descriptions. This training allows the system to understand the context of the textual description and generate an image that is highly accurate and realistic. One of the key use cases for DALL-E is in the field of art and design. Artists and designers can input textual descriptions of their ideas into the system, and DALL-E can generate highly detailed images that can be used as the basis for their designs. This can save artists and designers a lot of time and effort, as they no longer have to spend hours sketching out their ideas. Instead, they can simply input a description into DALL-E, and the system can generate a highly detailed image that they can use as a starting point. Another use case for DALL-E is in the field of advertising. Advertisers can use the system to generate highly realistic images of their products that can be used in their advertising campaigns. For example, an advertiser can input a textual description of a new product they are launching, and DALL-E can generate an image of the product that is so realistic it looks like a photograph. This can be a highly effective way for advertisers to showcase their products and attract potential customers. DALL-E has also been used in the field of education. Teachers can use the system to generate images that can help explain complex concepts to their students. For example, a science teacher can input a description of a complex scientific process, and DALL-E can generate an image that shows the process in action. This can help students understand complex concepts more easily and make learning more engaging and fun. One of the most fascinating aspects of DALL-E is its ability to generate surreal and fantastical images. These images are not just interesting to look at, but they can also be used in a variety of ways. For example, filmmakers can use these images as the basis for their visual effects, while video game designers can use them to create unique and immersive gaming experiences. Some examples of surreal images generated by DALL-E include an armchair in the shape of an avocado, a snail made out of a harp, and a bird with a top hat and cane. These images showcase the incredible creativity of DALL-E and highlight the endless possibilities of the system. In conclusion, DALL-E is a groundbreaking AI-based image generation system that has the potential to revolutionize the fields of art, design, advertising, education, and entertainment. Its ability to generate highly realistic and surreal images from textual descriptions is truly remarkable and has endless possibilities. As DALL-E continues to evolve and improve, it will be exciting to see how it will continue to impact various industries and change the way we create and imagine things. We hope that this video has shown you the power of DALL-E and the incredible potential that it holds. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have enjoyed this journey into the world of DALL-E.